Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, in this reading, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. The Devil in reverse. So Libra, it seems like you were somebody who was stuck somewhere in life. Okay, perhaps you were stuck in your own negative energies in past, but right now you are freeing yourself with from these negative energies, from these negative or false obsession. Okay, so it is time for you to take a deep breath. Okay, it's time for you to relax. On the other hand, we have Six of Cups. Libra, your person is meeting with new people, or perhaps they are wishing to meet you, or perhaps they are coming to meet you. It could be a reunion from their side towards you, or perhaps this person must be meeting with some old friends in your absence. Okay, so some kind of a meeting is happening for your person. Okay, this could be a third party situation also, Libra, that your person must be talking to somebody else. Since you were not there, so this person must be, talking to someone else. Okay. Now let's see, Libra, what do you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you are taking towards them, what actions they can take towards you, what you think about them. Alright. What they think about you, what actions you are going to take towards them, what actions they can take towards you. Okay. Rebirth. You see them as someone who has grown a lot in life, who has done a lot in life, who has learned a lot in life. According to you, this person has, transformed themselves a lot. Okay. You must have seen them from their scratch to the current position on which they are. Okay. On the other hand, let's see what your person thinks about you. Trust. Why this trust is coming over and over again? Okay, your person sees you as somebody who trusts in divine, who trusts in God's plan, who trusts in destiny. Okay, for according to them, you are someone who always trust your intuition, your gut feeling. Okay, if you feel that you have to take some actions towards a particular situation, you do not hesitate. You just take actions without even giving it a second thought. Okay, so that's how your person thinks about you. Now let's see what actions you are taking towards them. Control. It seems like you are trying to control something. Either you are trying to control your person, either you are trying to control the situation. Okay, something is there which you are trying to control, and yeah, you do not want to, you don't want your person to make, you are not giving them free space basically in this card. If I talk about. So, if I talk about the actions from your side, you are trying to manipulate, you are trying to control them. Okay, even though you guys are not together physically, but yes, mentally you have a very big impact on their heart and mind. That's why this thing is, you are controlling them basically. Okay. Abundance. With this card, I feel that your person is also not taking any actions towards you, because with this card abundance, I feel that this person is enjoying their time. Okay, this person must be enjoying their meetings with the other person. This person is enjoying their own life. Okay, and according to them, you are somebody who tries to control them. That's why they are not taking any actions towards you. Okay, and rather than taking any action towards you, they are enjoying their own time. As I told you, this could be a third party situation as well, Libra. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential? Ten of Cups. With this card, Ten of Cups, it seems like all your patients are going to give you back. Okay. Time for abundance, time for prosperity, time for happiness. Okay. Whatever you guys have put all your efforts, all your heart, all your mind, all your emotions into this relationship, that thing is definitely going to pay you back. Okay, so 10 of Cups, I'm seeing a lot of abundance and prosperity in this relationship for both of you. Okay, alright, so Libra, some of you could be dealing with water sign. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading, and we have air sign also in this reading, sorry. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so Libra people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.